Hi, welcome to first grade. I'm Mrs. Herzog, and I'm so excited that you're going to be in my class this year. It's not going to be the same as it was last year. Wherever you were, it's going to be different. But we're going to get through it together, and I'm so excited to go on this journey with you. Just to tell you a little bit about me, I have been teaching for 21 years this year. I've been at Chandler for 14 of those, and this will be my 15th year at Chandler. And I've been in first grade the whole time I've been at Chandler. I also taught third grade for a little bit in Farmers Branch. Um, I am from Houston originally, and I have one older brother. I went to Abilene Christian University for my undergrad degree, and I have a Bachelor of Science in elementary education and a specialization in reading. I'm also certified in gifted and talented and English as a second language. I have two children. Amelia is in fifth grade at Chandler, and Everett is starting kindergarten this year at Chandler. My husband and I have been married for 16 years, and I just can't wait to get to know you and to learn more about you. So look around on the slides and shoot me an email if you have any questions or any concerns.